Hi, ladies and gentlemen. In the shadow of the elections, the visa bulletin for December 2016 came out, and as expected, there was still a slow movement on the categories. If you look at F4, this is a December visa bulletin. It moved to April. Actually, if you look at the old one here, the November, it was February. So that means we have a couple of months of movement here for India. And for as for other countries, it barely moved, pretty much only like 20 days for other countries of chargeability. For the Philippines, it's pretty much stayed the same. So here is December, and then here is November. So no great movement except for India. We saw a few months of movement on the F4, which is a good news somehow. As if you look at the chart B, which is the chargeability charge, uh, it's pretty much stayed the same for India F1, and there is a movement on F2A from well, actually there is no movement actually. If you look at the both chart has pretty much stayed the same. F2B stayed the same. F3 stayed the same. You can look at it, and no great movement. Now let us, this is our family now, we are just discussing. Now let us look at employment base. EB1 is still EB1 now. If you look at it from here, this is the December visa bulletin. EB1 is current, which is good news, current on chart A and B. And second category for China, September 2012. It moves to September 2012, and I think, let's see here, it went backward actually for China. EB2 from 2013, it went backward, retrogression for China, huge, almost 1 year retrogression. As for let me see, no, actually it's not a retrogression, I'm sorry for that, correct that. I'm looking at the third chart. As for it's 2012 here, China, July, and it moved to September. Actually, no retrogression. I'm sorry for that. No retrogression for China and El Salvador current. For India, it moved to 2008. It was November 2000, 2007. So 3 month movement, which is at least a little bit good news for some people. That means the green card will be processed. And as for the EB3, it stayed on March 2005. Just moved like 7 days only. And also for other workers, same thing. And fourth category, EB4, it stays 2000 current, and religious workers, etc., this stay current. As for EB5, also India is current. For China, it went to March 2014, and it was actually March also 2014. So it moved like 2 weeks for EB4, for EB5 category for China. Looking at this visa bulletin, there's not much we can see. As for the chart B, it stayed under April 2009, which is not something we were hoping there would be a movement. But actually, our hope was for January, so we need to we'll make the predictions tomorrow on our radio show. On the predictions of for January 2017, what we're expecting. But until then, we have you can see the chart here, and we'll put the link on the bottom. Good luck to all those who are able to file. And as you know, the elections took place yesterday, and Donald Trump now is president, so things are going to change either very fast or very slow. We will have to kind of wait and see. I have an analysis which I've done on my previous YouTube video on that. So good luck to all of you. If you need help with any of your immigration matter, please give us a call at 510-742-5887. And just a correction, there's no retrogression for China. I'm sorry on that, but pretty much no big movement except for India, few months on AB2, around 3 months. Good luck to all of you, and anything I'm telling you today is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any question. Thank you.